Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I will show you how to create this very cute pencil toppers. So I have created these quill dolls. This is very easy to create. I have just created this doll and added this pencil topper inside this. And you can put it as a showpiece as well. And it's very easy to operate. Isn't it pretty? So let's get started. For this we need blue color 5mm strips, pink, peach and brown 3mm strips, some half cut pearls, black marker, pencil, quilling tool, liquid glue, handmade sheet and quilling mold. First I will show you how to create face. For this I am taking 3 strips of peach color and making one tight coil. So this is done. In the same way I have created one more tight coil using brown strips. Now I am taking my quilling mold and making 2 domes. Add glue inside the domes and spread it using brush. Now add little more glue on the edge and connect both the domes with each other. So face is ready. Now to create body I am taking 6 strips of blue color and making one tight coil. Here I am taking 5mm strip. So this is done. Now I'm just inserting the pencil through this and making one cone shape. Adjust the shape according to you. So the body is ready. Now I'm adding little glue inside this. Now I will show you how to create hands. For this I am taking 2 strips of blue and again making a bended cone shape. Like this. In the same way I have created one more hand. Now I am adding glue inside this. So hands are ready. Now I am creating neck. For this I am taking peach color 2mm strip and just rounding it around the stick and making one small circle. To create this thin strip I have just cut 3mm strip from the center. Now rolling this strip till the end. Secure the end. So neck is ready. Now I am assembling the body by adding neck and hands. Hold it for some time and let it completely dry. Now I will connect the face. Now I will show you how to create hands or palm. For this I am taking 1 strip of peach color and making one tight teardrop shape. Like this. So hands are ready. Now I will connect the palm inside the sleeves. Now I am creating hairs or the side ponies. For this I am taking one strip of brown color and making one small dome. In the same way I have created one more. So I will connect these two side ponies with the doll's hairs. Now I have created this tight coil by joining 5 green and 5 pink color strips. Now I am just making a dome. Here I am creating the hat for the doll. So remember, we just need to create dome for the center green tight coil. So it should look like this. Pink ring should be flat and green tight coil should be like a dome. Now just adding glue and securing it. Now I am connecting the hat with the doll. Isn't it cute? Now I am taking this handmade sheet which measures 15 by 2 centimeters. I am taking my pencil and just rolling the strip around this and making a pipe shape by adding little glue. Here I am making the pencil topper. Now just add glue on top side of this pipe and I am connecting from the back side like this. Now just take your pencil and insert it like this, and it will not get fall because of the handmade sheet roughness. Now you can decorate your desk. Now I am just decorating the doll little bit by adding strip and some face features. First I am adding the cheeks. For this I have created 2 paper circles by using hole punch. I have used pink color paper for this. Now I am creating the eyes using black marker and adding little smile using pink color paper triangle. Now to create nose I am taking this 3 cm strip and making one tight coil. Again I am taking 1.5 mm strip. Just pinch this tight coil a little bit and connect the nose. Now I am adding some half cut pearls as a button. So the cute tiny miny quill paper dolls pencil topper is ready. Isn't it cute idea to impress your friends? In the same way, I have created one more pencil topper using pink color combination. Pink and yellow color combination. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.